Hey there, this is a follow-up test trying out the Pentax K-1 triggering an on-camera flash, which is the Pentax AF360FGZII, and just gonna take you step by step. First gonna mount I have already mounted the flash on the V6 II. I'm gonna mount that's on the horseshoe here of the K1. Oops, sorry. And of course, make sure it's all the way inserted. Lock it down, and it's gonna turn on the camera and the flash. Oh, it's the other way around. So that's already in TTL or PTTL mode. And now, as I switch on the V6 II, I'm gonna half press. Well, actually, you don't really need to half press the camera because that's already running on the Pentax XTTL firmware. But as to the flash, that will auto detect the flash. And if I do that, you can see the two P's. You can bring up the page. So P for the Pentax flash and P for the camera as well. And right now I've already turned on the TTL pass-through. You can see the TTL on the bottom left. So now let me just take a shot here. Try to focus, and the flash is fired. And let me just do another one just to make sure it's not a fluke. And there you go. And just to check, you can of course press and hold the manual button for 2 seconds to turn off the TTL pass-through. So the icon is now gone, and now the power is manually adjusted from the V6 II, and you can do that by holding down the manual button and scrolling the dial. Whoops. It's a bit hard to do with my right hand, but let me try again. And now you can see the power going up. So let's do a test here. Actually, it's not that bad, the exposure. Of course, you can tune the power back down to 125 power. Flash is fired and exposure is much lower. So yeah, so TTL pass-through for on-camera flash using the Pentax AF360FGZII. TTL and also manual works on the Pentax K-1. So it could be a horseshoe issue, or of course you can always check if the status green LED pops up, the green did come on. So that tells you that there's a good connection from the camera horseshoe using the center horseshoe pin, which is transferring the trigger signal. So that's also one thing you can check. And of course the other one is here. Hold on. When you adjust the zoom, you can see it's being reflected on the screen here. So that's the contact pin, the smaller contact pins on the sides that also have a good connection between the trigger and the camera. So I hope this helps. Thanks.